Hi everybody, this is Christine from the Crafters Outpost, and today I am making cabbage colored paper for junk journals. And so what you do is you just get a red cabbage from the store, and you cut it up and you put it in some water and you let it boil. I bring it to a boil and then I let it simmer for a couple of hours until I get the consistency of the color that I would like to have and create. And here's some of the papers of the colors that came out after a batch that I'd already done. And I'm just drying on in my dehydrator right now. As you can see, they turn out really, really pretty. And I add different food coloring as well. So depending on the color that I want to go for, and to get the deep, rich colors, sometimes I add different colored food coloring along with it. And of course you can get the same color with avocados and different foods that you use. Here's some of the spray bottles that I put my colors in when I'm done. Like that's probably the cabbage, and then I have some food coloring. I also keep my avocado color in the fridge when I'm done if I have extra. And so then as I'm just working, I just keep going back over to the stove and stirring the cabbage just to keep seeing the color that I like. And I let the water boil down. You could put a lid on if you just don't want the water to boil down, but I just was going for a deeper, rich color, so the less water and the more cabbage. And the longer you cook it, you will get a deeper color. And then this is pretty much the last batch I did. And so it turned out kind of a purplish pink. And it's all different once you soak it and put it in. But here's the dried papers. And then I ironed them afterwards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the notifications if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you again for watching and have a good day.